Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal de Spanish Road. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. In this class we're going to learn 7 slang words that I use a lot and practically everyone uses in Spain that every single person should know and know how to use. Número 1 is chulo. Chulo can have 2 different meanings. It can either be used to describe a person, so Miguel es un chulo. By using this word here, I'm saying that Miguel is very cocky and very arrogant. But if I say that something is chulo, for example, esta vela es muy chula. What I mean here is that this candle is very cool. So it can be both meanings for chulo. If I use it for a person, I'm saying that it's an arrogant or cocky person. And if I use it to describe something, I mean that's very cool. This can also be used to describe a situation. For example, la fiesta fue muy chula. So the party was very cool. Mono is another word that has 2 meanings. So mono is a monkey. But if I'm using it as an adjective and I put it for either something or a person, means cute. For example, Pedro es muy mono. Pedro is very cute. Another slang that we use quite a lot, or I know I do and my family does, is mala leche. And no, it's not translated as bad milk. Mala leche is used for expressing someone's character or their mood at the moment. So it can either be someone who gets annoyed very quickly and you say, Marina tiene muy mala leche. Marina has a bad temper. Or you can use it to express your mood. For example, today I'm angry. Hoy estoy de mala leche. Another slang word that is very, very commonly used across the whole Spain is Cutre. Again, it's an adjective that can have 2 possible meanings depending if you're describing a person or if you're using it to describe either a place or something. For example, if I use it with a person and I say Marta es una cutre, Marta is very cheap, or you can say, for example, a restaurant, it doesn't look great, it's very outdated or very old, or it's just plain cheap. You can say, el restaurante es muy cutre. Jeta. Ser un jeta o tener mucha jeta. Or ser un cara dura o tener mucha cara. It means someone that takes advantage of either you or the situation. It's very cheeky, tener mucha jeta o tener mucha cara. And the last word, and possibly one of the most used words in my vocabulary, is venga. Venga can also be used for alright, okay, venga, vale, or I could say it to say let's go, venga, or come on, let's go, venga, vamos. So venga is used quite a lot. Same with vale. I'm adding another one in here just in case you're a Spanish beginner or learning Spanish and you hear it everywhere. Vale, vale, vale means okay or yes. So vale. Do you want to go for a walk? Vale. Do you want to stay home? Vale. Do we buy beer? Vale. Instead of saying sí. But we do use vale all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more tips and things about the Spanish culture and grammar and vocabulary and many, many more things, subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up because it really, really helps me. Hasta luego!